tires provide traction, stability, safety, and control, ensuring smooth driving across various road conditions. Today's video is about top 5 best all-season tires that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Atturo tires. The Trailblade H/T tires are an excellent choice for drivers who spend most of their time on highways and want a smooth, quiet, and reliable ride. The 3-linked center ribs provide stable handling and confident straight-line performance, while the optimized tread design helps reduce road noise for a more comfortable cabin experience. Built for long-lasting performance, these tires feature deep tread options, a 60,000-mile warranty, and strong durability for everyday driving, towing, and hauling needs. The 4 circumferential grooves efficiently channel water, snow, and slush away from the contact patch, improving traction in changing weather conditions. With 3D Sipes and 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake certification, they provide dependable grip in wet and light snowy conditions. Available in a wide range of sizes for trucks, SUVs, and crossovers, the Trailblade H/T delivers a great balance of comfort, durability, safety, and all-season capability for highway-focused drivers. Now our second product is Michelin tires. With Michelin's reputation for quality and innovation, this product represents a strong choice for drivers looking for dependable tire performance and confidence on the road. Michelin tires are known for their focus on safety, durability, and refined driving comfort, making them a trusted option for everyday commuting, long-distance travel, and various driving conditions. The brand's advanced engineering and commitment to quality help deliver reliable traction, stable handling, and a smoother ride experience. Whether navigating city streets or highway routes, Michelin continues to provide products designed to balance performance, longevity, and driving comfort. Overall, Michelin remains a respected tire brand for drivers who value proven reliability, premium construction, and consistent road performance. Our third product is Nitto tires. This tire is designed to deliver dependable performance for drivers who need durability and off-road capability. The reinforced block foundation helps reduce tread flex, improving stability and maintaining consistent handling even under demanding conditions. Stone ejectors are a valuable feature that help protect the tire from damage caused by trapped rocks and debris, extending tread life during rugged use. The staggered shoulder lugs provide enhanced traction on uneven terrain, giving drivers better grip when navigating dirt, gravel, mud, and challenging surfaces. With a focus on strength, protection, and off-road performance, this tire is built to handle tougher driving environments while maintaining reliable control. Overall, it is a solid choice for adventure enthusiasts and truck or SUV owners who want improved traction, added durability, and confidence when leaving paved roads behind. Now number 4, BFGoodrich tires. The BFGoodrich All-Terrain T/KO3 tire is built for drivers who demand toughness, durability, and dependable performance on and off the road. Featuring a new tread pattern and advanced all-terrain compound, it delivers long-lasting performance even on rough surfaces like gravel and challenging trails. The CoreGuard technology provides impressive sidewall strength, while the advanced deflection design helps protect against damage from sticks, stones, and harsh terrain. Its serrated shoulder design and mud-phobic bars enhance traction in mud, snow, and other difficult conditions, improving confidence during outdoor adventures. Designed as a versatile all-terrain tire, it balances rugged capability with everyday drivability for trucks and SUVs. Backed by a 50,000-mile treadwear limited warranty and a 6-year standard limited warranty, it offers added peace of mind. Overall, the BFGoodrich All-Terrain T/KO3 is a reliable choice for drivers seeking superior strength, off-road capability, and long-term durability. And our last choice is Goodyear tires. This tire is designed to deliver a comfortable, efficient, and reliable driving experience across various road conditions. The patented tread pattern helps create a quieter and smoother ride by reducing road noise while maintaining stable handling. Its fuel-saving tread compound provides dependable grip on wet, dry, snowy, and icy surfaces, giving drivers added confidence throughout the year. The specially formulated rubber compound and optimized tread design help reduce rolling resistance, improving fuel efficiency and supporting more eco-friendly driving. With an enhanced contact area that evenly distributes pressure, the tire offers consistent performance and reliable tread life for long-term use. Whether commuting daily or taking longer highway trips, this tire provides a balanced combination of comfort, traction, efficiency, and durability. Overall, it is a smart choice for drivers looking for a tire that delivers smooth performance, better fuel economy, and dependable all-season capability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.